Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to fix Bluetooth issues on Redmi Note 14. So friends, before we start, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. You just need to move on setting, then after that here you can scroll on the down and click on additional setting. Then again you have to scroll down, and if you don't find out like media settings, then here you can directly search for the reset. Then use the reset Wi-Fi mobile network and Bluetooth. So tap on reset, then after that you can just confirm your password and click on reset. Then your Bluetooth problem will be fixed. Okay, it will be solved. You can also do this, just turn on, turn off, and you can check it out. This Redmi Note 14 5G. There is even the additional settings where comfortable devices, quick connect, earphones, speakers, and other compatibility. If it's not working, then you can just turn on this option. If it's not turn on, okay, if you block by mistake your devices, then you can unblock it. And this is this show Bluetooth devices without names. You can show it if you want to show. Okay, I'm telling that if it's not working, if it's not showing, then you can show this quickly connect earphones and speakers and other compatibilities. And if you block my mistake, then you can unblock it. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.